Have you had any condiments or sauces missing from your food photo? I'm going to show you 2 ways how you can add it with Photoshop. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add objects that is missing in the picture. I've taken this image and another one which has the 2 bowls, and I'm going to add these 2 bowls into this image. First, we'll select the 2 bowls, make a copy, and then we'll just move it into place. And you can see here, basically it's out of alignment, so we just need to adjust it slightly. You can use the arrow tools, and then after that we're going to use a masking to show the 2 bowls. Paint it over the 2 bowls. Don't forget about the shadows as well. And you can see here I've overpainted it, so just reduce this part here. And then the next one. Again, don't forget the shadows. I think it looks pretty good. Now let's see the before and after. Before, after. The second way of adding object is replacing it with something that you have. For example, this sauce here. This sauce here is empty. When I was taking this picture, I forgot about adding the sauce here. So with Photoshop, you can actually add from this sauce into this one here. So first what you do is you select this image, make a copy of it, and then bring it next to the sauce. So if you can see here that this is a bit of blur. So in order to blur this image, we go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Filter Blur, and then we adjust this blur around 15. I think around 14 pixels. That looks good. Okay. Next, as we move here, if you can see that this jar here is a bit bigger. So reduce this opacity so that you can see how big it is, and then we'll resize this. Slowly moving it into place. Looks good. Move the opacity to 100 again. Let's see. Looks good. Next, we're going to use a mask. And now we're going to just paint the sauce in. Now let's look at before and after. Before and after. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to share it and click the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye!